Want to level up your After Effects workflow for free? Here are 5 plugins every motion designer should have. Plugin number 1, Motion Tools Classic, focused on the main tasks you do every day. For example, instead of adjusting the anchor point manually for this layer, you can do it in just one click using this smart anchor point controller. Another example, instead of arranging layers one by one like this, you can select all the layers, then enter how far apart you want them to be. Set it to 1 since we only need to control one layer individually. Here, choose the layer arrangement style, click on Sequence, and you're done. Last example, Elastic Effect is used to create bouncy, natural movement by making objects overshoot and settle. Plugin number 2. Odometer is a free plugin that lets you animate numbers in a clean, professional way. You can control the speed, direction, and style of the count to match your design perfectly. It's great for stats, counters, prices, or any data you want to feel alive and dynamic. Simple, smooth, and powerful. Perfect for modern motion design. Here's how to use it. Create a solid layer. Add odometer. Click Create and wait a moment. Make the number bigger from here. Increase the number of columns here. And animate the numbers from this section. If you want more details about this plugin, watch this video. The link is in the description. Plugin number 3, Orb Plugin. You'll want to check out the Orb Plugin by Video Copilot. This free plugin is an incredible tool for creating realistic 3D planets, moons, and other spherical objects right within After Effects. Orb allows you to easily add texture mapping, adjust lighting, and control reflections, making it perfect for generating detailed celestial bodies or any other round objects you might need in your projects. Whether you're working on a sci-fi scene or just want to add some cosmic flair to your videos, Orb is a powerful, free addition to your toolkit. I'll be sharing a complete set of planet textures, a stunning space background, and some awesome overlays to bring your scenes to life. And guess what? The planet textures include more than 16 high-quality, free images featuring planets like Earth, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, Mercury, so stay tuned. To download all these free planet textures, just check out the link in the description or in the pinned comments. Plugin number 4.
VC Reflect. Create stunning 2D reflections in seconds, adding depth and realism to your compositions. To download this free plugin, check the link in the description. I've already explained how to download and install this plugin, along with 3 other free plugins from the official Video Copilot website.
Plugin number 5.
Then, boost your colors with Color Vibrance, designed to give your projects a punch of intense, bright hues that stand out on any screen. When using the hue saturation colorization method, you often have to go through multiple steps just to achieve a single color. The final result might not be that impressive, as you can sometimes lose depth in your image or video. However, with the Color Vibrance plugin, it's incredibly easy, whether you're a beginner or an advanced editor. Just apply the plugin, and it instantly changes the color, delivering incredible results without sacrificing any depth in your footage. Typically, we use screen mode to remove black backgrounds from our footage. But as you can see here, the footage loses some color, and the background isn't completely removed. Now, let me show you the difference when using the Color Vibrance plugin. After applying the plugin, simply go to Matte Alpha and switch it on. The black background will be perfectly removed. How? With no loss of quality from your original footage.
Thanks for watching, and all the links are in the description.